are watching Navodaya Times Punjab KST and I'm your host Rehma. Today we are discussing a surprising incident that occurred last Monday in Delhi where a brand new Mahindra Thar has been crashed out of a showroom falling from the first floor after a ritual ceremony went wrong. So joining us today is Mr. Mario, the director of Lingel. We will be breaking down what happened and the legal and safety implications, especially concerning the glass used in commercial showroom. Welcome to Navodaya Times Punjab KST, Mario. So my first question to you, Mario, is could you briefly explain what happened?
I saw the news and I said, oh my goodness, the car fell down. Luckily, the driver, the person survived because it could have been a deadly accident. And what I was surprised that no one has actually questioned the performance of the glass. We are talking about the car. We are talking about how can I flip the pedals of the escalator and the brake. And we are talking about the small lemon. But when you see the building, the complete glass, the framing, everything has completely disappeared. With an accident like this, the glass may break, but will not allow that the car is going to fall down, considering that it was not in high speed, it was within the showroom itself, and therefore something went wrong in the glazing solution selected over there at this project.
So are showrooms typically designed to prevent this kind of accident?
We do have in India, we have bylaws in place. We have the National Building Code. And we have now, since 1 year, we have a standard for doors and windows. And there we are defining based on the height. When I have a showroom in the ground floor, then this is not a concern to be raised. But when I have a building or when I have a floor up of 5 feet, then I have to make certain safety measures. So then if I have a sill, if I have only a window, I have another safety measure. But when I have floor to ceiling glazing, which are going throughout the entire elevation, and showroom windows needs to be like this to showcase the product in the best way, then yes, there are rules and regulation in place which needs to be followed.
Could you please explain what are the safety protocol that needs to be followed?
The standard defines a particular testing method. In this particular testing method, there is an 40 or 50 kg, 45 kg of heavyweight sandbag or like a kind of a rim, which is going to get smashed on the glass. We are creating there an impact of around 500 kg per 10 square feet. And during this impact, the glass can break, but it cannot shatter down. We have laminated solution in place in the country where the glass may break, like the front glass of the car. During an accident, the front glass of the car breaks, but it never disappears, right? And the side glass of the car, when it breaks, it disappears and I can look outside. But in this case, the glass needs to hold that no one can fall down during this kind of a bad incident happening. It has to be tested, yes, and what we have seen in the structure over there, the glass and the framing has completely disappeared. There are no part pieces which were left at all. And what I could see from the video, that it was just a toughened glass. It means it breaks, it shatters down, it falls down, and it doesn't hold this kind of an impact back. And the NBC defines what needs to be actually selected to withstand this kind of an impact.
Which type of glass should be used in commercial showroom?
This was the first standard I was talking about. This is the National Building Code. And the National Building Code in a section glass and glazing, it defines the performance of a laminated glass. Once again, laminated glass is the front sheet, the front glass of a car that after breaking, it doesn't disappear. And the test procedure is that I need to drop from a height of 4 feet, 45 kg, and for example, this is when I have a 20-liter water drum. 2 of these drums need to shatter on the glass and the impact shouldn't break through what is happening. And same is there when we have only the toughened glass for smaller windows, I would say. There is the same 45 kg of an impact from a height of 1.2 meter. We are talking about your human impact. And then it should not shatter without breakage, because when the toughened glass, like the side glass of the car, when it breaks, it just falls down.
Let me explain to you in Hindi why following safety standards in building glazing is absolutely essential.
भवनों में कांच यानी ग्लेजिंग का इस्तेमाल करते समय सुरक्षा नियमों का पालन बेहद जरूरी है। अगर सही तरह का ग्लास नहीं चुना गया तो ये टूट सकता है और गंभीर हादसों का कारण बन सकता है। सबसे पहले इम्पैक्ट रेजिस्टेंट ग्लास चुनना चाहिए। ऐसा कांच जो भारी झटके को झेले और खतरनाक तरीके से ना टूटे। खिड़कियों के सामने रेलिंग या दूसरी बाधाएं लगाना भी जरूरी है ताकि किसी भी वस्तु या व्यक्ति के गिरने का खतरा ना रहे। राष्ट्रीय भवन संहिता यानी NBC और खिड़की दरवाजा मानकों में ग्लेजिंग के लिए साफ दिशा निर्देश दिए गए हैं। इनके मुताबिक ग्लास कम से कम 45 किलो तक के बल को सह सके। खिड़की और दरवाजा मानक 330 किलो तक के भारी आघात को सहन करने की सिफारिश करते हैं। बड़े या फ्लोर टू सीलिंग पैनलों में अतिरिक्त सावधानी जरूरी है। वहीं हाल ही में एक कार शोरूम में गलत ग्लेजिंग के कारण एक गाड़ी पहली मंजिल से नीचे गिर गई। अगर सही मानकों का पालन होता तो ये हादसा टल सकता था। इसलिए ग्लेजिंग का सही चुनाव केवल इमारत को सुंदर बनाने के लिए नहीं बल्कि लोगों की जान की सुरक्षा के लिए अनिवार्य है। सुरक्षा मानकों का पालन हमारी जिम्मेदारी है और यही हमें हमारे भवनों और आसपास के लोगों को सुरक्षित रखता है।
The laws are in place. They have to be adopted. And while doing this, we are saving all the citizens from this kind of a fatal impact when someone is going to fall out of the building because the glazing was wrongly selected.
Thank you so much, Mario, for sharing such a crucial information which we need to learn about the glasses and about the incident. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.